Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Samsung AC if it is showing you 1 when you are basically turning it off. So first of all, if your Samsung AC briefly display 1 after you switch it off, it's usually not an error code. On many of the Samsung inverter models, it's part of the auto clean and the shutdown process, where the indoor fan continues running for a short time to dry any of the moisture left on the evaporator coil. So if the number disappears after a few minutes when you turn off your AC, then there is nothing that you need to worry about. The system is working exactly as it is designed. However, if the one stays on continuously or the AC never shuts down completely, you can just simply try turning the unit off, and then you can just simply leave the AC as it is for around 5 minutes, and after that you can just simply restore the power and test it again. So this can clear a temporary software and the communication glitch. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.